Hi, I'm Margaret Teal with the Mayland Earth to Sky Park.
I'm Skeeter.
And I'm Blair Clark from Earth to Sky Park.
And we're going to demonstrate how to make the Mars rover for the North Carolina NC Science Festival. You're going to start out with your 6-inch square of cardboard, and you're going to fold it into thirds. And I would suggest using a ruler to help you get nice straight lines. This whole time you're going to be following these instructions that are in your packet called How to Make a Cardboard Rover. After you fold your smaller square into thirds, you're going to take your 5-inch by 5-inch squares and use them to make wheels. And Skeeter has shown how you draw the diagonals to make an X across your wheels.
Would you do another one on this one?
And I suggested use a ruler.
Very good.
So what Skeeter's doing is on the two 5-inch wheels, she's drawing diagonal lines from corner to corner.
Here's one.
The next step is that we are going to next poke a small hole in the center. That's where the lines cross.
I have one of these pencils actually.
Very good.
On the body, we are going to poke a hole close to the end of each side for the axle.
And you can use a pencil to punch the hole.
And there will be pencils in my packet.
There will be pencils in the packet. Make sure the holes are directly across from each other and are big enough for the pencil to freely spin.
So we have to wiggle it, make it big enough, like that.
Now attach the front wheels by sliding the pencil through the holes. Yep. And nice, and we're going to add the other one to the other side.
Wait, will you do it since we erase it?
Secure with tape.
Get out the key.
But then it can't fold.
You can come stand right here, okay?
Like so.
Next, make the rear wheels. Tape the straw under the back end of the rover. Slip a candy onto each end.
So we're going to tape a straw under the back, tape it underneath the back.
Two.
Under the back end of the rover. Slip a candy onto each end.
Candies.
Good job.
There we go. Now show the straw. Tape, okay?
I think that's good enough. Wait, I didn't bend it.
It's okay, here's another piece of tape.
We're just trying to make it fat so the candy doesn't come off.
And you might want a grown-up to help you, or two. Oye, bravo.
All right, let's show how that works. We taped on there.
So you bend the straw that
I think we
way.
need another piece of tape to hold our axle on.
Okay.
There we go. All right.
Let's test it.
Now, the rubber bands.
Chain.
Loop one end around the pencil. Cut small slits into the back end of the body. Slide the free end of the rubber bands into the slit. Wait, you don't pull on it quite yet. Oops. All right, there's my slip knot around the pencil, like that. And then I'm going to pull it back and put it in the slits. You're ready to test. Woohoo!
Test your rover. Wind up the wheels and set the rover down and let it go. Did everything work? Can you make your rover go farther? Engineers improve their designs by testing them.